Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare the Audi A5 versus the Toyota Camry. We'll dive into what makes each vehicle unique, from their driving dynamics to their interior comforts. Understanding these differences will help you decide which car best suits your lifestyle and budget. Let's explore the performance, design, and overall experience each model delivers, giving you a clear picture of their strengths. When it comes to performance, the Audi A5 often boasts a more spirited drive with its turbocharged engines and sport-tuned suspension. You'll likely experience quicker acceleration and more agile handling. The Toyota Camry, on the other hand, focuses on a smooth, comfortable ride, making it ideal for daily commuting and long trips. Its engines are designed for reliability and excellent fuel economy, offering a practical and dependable driving experience. Inside, the Audi A5 presents a luxurious cabin with high-quality materials, advanced infotainment, and sophisticated design. Expect features like a virtual cockpit and premium sound systems. The Toyota Camry provides a spacious and functional interior, focusing on user-friendliness and durability. It includes modern safety features and intuitive technology, ensuring a comfortable and connected ride for all passengers. Both offer distinct approaches to in-car experience. Considering value, the Audi A5 typically comes with a higher initial purchase price and potentially higher maintenance costs, reflecting its luxury segment. The Toyota Camry generally offers a more accessible price point and is renowned for its long-term reliability and lower overall cost of ownership. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize luxury and performance or practicality and economy. Remember to check the description for a great book on money and other exclusive deals we've put together for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.